Kevin, Chicago Heating Repair. Found an inducer assembly. It's kind of making a low hum sound, but after resetting the furnace multiple times, it's running correctly. It's not. There's no intermittent operation or anything. So at this point, we're just opting to kind of just let it run. It seems to be perfectly normal, but if there is a loss of heat, we should replace that inducer for sure, because that is eventually going to go. But it could last another 2-3 years. So condemning it now, I just don't believe is the right thing to do. So Kevin, Chicago Heating Repair, 773-330-3689.